guys, in this video I'm going to share you what's inside my pencil bag. So without wasting too much time, let's get started. So this is my black and white check pencil bag. So let's open it, and as you can see there's too much things in it. So first thing is this mini emoji pouch or wallet. I keep some money in it. I always keep some money with me whenever I go anywhere, and in school also I keep some money. So I have some coins also. Then I have a pencil. This is Tom's Neon Collection pencil. Then I have a mechanical pencil also. This is 0.7. Then I have a scale. This is 15 centimeter scale. Then I have this blue pen. I also have a marker. This is black marker. A highlighter. This is fluorescent highlighter. And a cute horse pen. It is in working and I don't use it very often, but I liked it to carry it with me because it's so cute. Then I have a sharpener and some more pens, and with this pen, this is a blue pen, and with this pen our pencil bag is now empty. So that is all I have in my pencil bag. If you liked it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.